Look at how dang freaking small that hole is. Oh my gosh. Sheesh. All right, this is how you navigate the Mount Morgan Caves. Your first instinct will be, there's no way I can fit through there. And you'll try and go head first like you normally walk, but I say don't do that. That's actually much harder. You wanna go turn around, slide your butt on this rock, and go in backwards. It's easier to push off, slide your butt, and have holds all the way along. And most of your weight is safely in the cave. There we go. Easy as that. And then you can stand up and walk normally. Easy peasy. You know, look up at the little skylights, shimmy around, and you know, not so claustrophobic right here. But then when we exit, it's gonna get tight again. And once again, if you try and go head first, belly first, you'll be like, where do I hold on? Where do I put my feet? Do the same thing again. Turn around, face the way you came, and then sit back on your butt. And lay back and stick yourself through that way. And now you have this big rock in your face, but that's okay. You're able to easily reach your arms up and grab these rocks to help pull you through and lift your leg up onto this ledge and then pull and push yourself right on through. Then you just butt slide a little bit, get your other foot up there. Bob's your uncle. You're through, no problem. Whew. And maybe what they don't tell you is that right when you finish and get out of the cave, it gets a little precarious and steep with some ledges. Navigate those as you would, being nice and careful. You know, this big drops off there. Another big hole right there. This tiny little rock. Gotta shimmy around. And there we are. You've made it through the Morgan Caves.